Okay, here's the underside of this Datsun. Look, there's those nice bits of tree growing through the bumper. It's got California plates, and those last registered in 1984. And I hope I found out why they parked it, and hopefully they didn't trash the motor. But if you look right here, the thermostat housing is busted. And maybe back in 84 it was hard to get one for this truck. Who knows? This truck's in 1963. But I have a welder with one of these motors on it, and I can go rob the parts off it. Or I guess you could braze that. I've moved a little bit of the rat's nest in here out so I could see what the heck's going on. Look at the tag. It says 1963. Now, this is a surprise to me. Let's see what's in this air cleaner. Oh my gosh. It's clean. I figured there was going to be full of rat's nest. That's a miracle. I haven't pulled the oil dipstick yet because it is packed in here. And there's cactus needles. This ain't bad. I've seen rat's nests a lot. Ow, cactus needle. I've seen cars a lot more packed up with rat's nests than this. All right, well, hopefully I can get this thing started today. So I'll post another video later to show you my progress. And I didn't get a title with this thing, so if I get it running, I gotta go get a bonded title. And because this thing's so old, probably doesn't have any of that nasty new gas that gums up the carburetors and stuff, so might be able to just feed it with a baby bottle and get this thing going. Okay, well, day one, 63 Datsun truck. I'll post more videos.